If you need to block someone on Swiggy, whether it's to avoid unwanted interactions or for privacy reasons, follow these simple steps to ensure your experience remains positive. Step 1. Open the Swiggy app. Launch the Swiggy app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Tap on the profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings and preferences. Step 3. Access the privacy settings. Look for the privacy or account settings option within your profile menu. This section contains various options related to your account's privacy and security. Step 4. Find the block list option. In the privacy settings, locate the block list or blocked users option. This is where you can manage users you want to block from contacting you. Step 5. Block the user. Select the option to add a user to your block list. You may need to search for the user by their username or ID. Once found, confirm the action to block them. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on Swiggy and enhance your user experience. If you ever need to unblock someone, you can return to the same section and remove them from your block list.